softly sings, solitude on open wings. Green road stretches far and wide, rivers edge with peace inside. Waterfalls embrace I find, a sanctuary for my mind. Leaves are whispers in the air, footsteps light without a care. Mountain shadow in the light, holding day and kissing night. Morning mist I softly greet, nature's song is bittersweet. Sunrise painting skies anew, every step just passing through. Green road stretches far and wide,